Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you want 2025 to be the year you finally take control of your finances? Well, you're in the right place, because today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build wealth fast in 2025, even if you are a total beginner. You don't need to be rich, you don't need a finance degree, and you don't need to work 80 hours a week. You just need to understand the right mindset, the right strategy, and the right habits that can turn small money into big results. Chapter 1. The New Rules of Money in 2025. Let's start with a truth bomb. The world of money has changed. The old rules of saving your way to wealth simply don't work anymore. Inflation, digital banking, and new technologies have rewritten how people grow their money. In 2025, building wealth isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. AI and automation are replacing old jobs, but also creating new opportunities, like online freelancing, AI-assisted businesses, and content creation. Investing is more accessible, with apps that let you invest with just $5. Digital assets like crypto, tokenized real estate, and online brands are becoming real wealth generators. And the biggest one, information is everywhere. You can learn skills that used to cost thousands for free, if you know where to look. To build wealth fast in 2025, you need to use these modern tools to your advantage. Chapter 2. Master your money mindset. Before we talk about making money, we need to fix how you think about money. The rich think differently, and that's not a cliche, it's a fact. Here's the difference. Poor people think about spending money. Middle-class people think about saving money. Rich people think about multiplying money. The goal isn't just to make more. It's to use every dollar as a tool for growth. Start by asking yourself, how can I make this $100 turn into $200? How can I use my time to create assets, not just income? Wealth starts in your mind before it ever shows up in your bank account. And here's the mindset formula. Earn, save, invest, repeat. Every dollar you earn should go through that system, not through your impulse to spend it. Chapter 3. Step 2. Build multiple income streams. If you want to build wealth fast, you can't rely on just one income source. The average millionaire has 7 streams of income. But don't panic, you don't need 7 today. Start with 2 or 3 that fit your lifestyle. Here are some examples that work in 2025. Your main job. Your 9 to 5 pays the bills. But your goal should be to free up money to invest from it. A side hustle. Try freelancing on Fiverr or Upwork, selling digital products, or even starting a YouTube channel. Investments, stocks, ETFs, or index funds that grow your money passively. Digital income, like affiliate marketing, dropshipping, or creating an ebook. In 2025, thanks to AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and automation software, you can start a digital business from your laptop. No employees, no office, and no huge startup cost. Building multiple income streams is the foundation of financial freedom, because when one slows down, the others keep flowing. Chapter 4. Step 3. Learn to save and budget smart. You can't build wealth if you don't know where your money goes. Think of saving not as sacrifice, but as strategy. Here's a simple beginner-friendly rule. The 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% goes to wants, 20% goes to saving and investing. But if you want to build wealth faster, flip it. Try 40-20-40. Live on 40%, save 20%, and invest 40%. Start using free apps like YNAB, Mint, or Revolut to track your spending automatically. Remember, every dollar saved is a soldier that can go out and fight for your financial freedom. Chapter 5. Step 4. Invest early and often. Now let's talk about the real engine of wealth, investing. If you're new, investing might sound scary, but in 2025, it's easier than ever. Here are 5 ways beginners can start. Index funds or ETFs. These track the stock market and grow steadily over time. Use apps like Robinhood, Webull, or eToro. High-yield savings accounts. Earn passive interest while your money stays liquid. Crypto and blockchain assets. Be cautious but curious. Bitcoin and Ethereum are still top long-term plays. Real estate crowdfunding. Platforms like Fundrise let you invest in real estate with just $10. AI-driven investing. Tools like Betterment or Wealthfront manage your money automatically. The key is consistency, not perfection. Invest $100 a month, every month. Let compound interest do the magic. Remember Warren Buffett's rule. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Chapter 6. Step 5. Build skills that make you money. In 2025, your skills are your currency. The fastest way to build wealth isn't just investing. It's increasing your income through valuable skills. Here are 5 high-income skills anyone can learn online. Video editing. YouTube and TikTok creators are booming. Copywriting. Businesses pay thousands for good words. AI automation and prompt engineering, digital marketing, financial consulting, or coaching. Learn one of these, and you can easily earn $50, $100 an hour, all from home. Use platforms like Coursera, Skillshare, or YouTube itself. The information is free. All you need is consistency. Chapter 7. Step 6. Avoid common wealth killers. Let yes be real. Most people don't stay broke because they don't earn enough. They stay broke because they leak money. Here are 5 wealth killers you must avoid. Lifestyle inflation. Don't upgrade your car every time you get a raise. Bad debt. Credit card debt can destroy years of savings. Impulse spending. Learn to wait 24 hours before buying anything unnecessary. Ignoring taxes. Learn basic tax strategies to save thousands. Not tracking your net worth. You can't grow what you don't measure. Building wealth fast isn't just about making money, it's about keeping it. Chapter 8. Step 7. Leverage technology and AI. This is what separates 2025 wealth builders from the old school investors. AI and technology can now multiply your productivity and automate your income. Use AI tools to write blog posts or ebooks, create YouTube videos or manage social media, analyze stocks or crypto trends. Build your online business faster. Automation isn't replacing you, it's amplifying you. If you learn how to use it right, you can earn more in a few hours a day than most people do in a week. Chapter 9. Step 8. Build assets, not liabilities. This is the golden rule of wealth. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes money out. Your car? Usually a liability. Your online business? That's an asset. In 2025, digital assets are exploding. YouTube channels, online courses, blogs, NFTs, and e-commerce stores can all generate passive income. The key is to spend time creating something that can earn even when you sleep. That's how real wealth is built. Chapter 10. Step 9. Network with winners. If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go with others. Wealthy people spend time with people who think bigger than them. Join online communities, business forums, or mastermind groups. Learn from those already doing what you want to do. Surround yourself with people who make money talk, not money worries. Chapter 11. Step 10. Stay consistent and patient. Here's the truth. Building wealth fast doesn't mean getting rich overnight. It means accelerating your growth, not skipping the process. You might not see big results in month 1, but if you stay consistent, learning, saving, investing, and improving, your life will look completely different in 1 year. Remember, consistency beats talent and time beats luck. Wealth isn't a one-time event. It's a lifestyle. So there you have it, the complete beginner-friendly guide to building wealth fast in 2025. You've learned how to master your mindset, build multiple incomes, invest wisely, and use AI to your advantage. Now the next step is yours. Start today. Even small actions, saving $5, learning one skill, or investing your first $10 can lead to massive change. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more wealth building content, and comment below, "I'm ready to build wealth in 2025," because your financial freedom starts right now.